What's up, THM Unbox? The Amazon delivery truck just came and I just got this brand new package. I opened it up a little bit because I was super excited. But I got this from Amazon. This is the ALPTHY air duster spray gun. So this is relatively a new thing and I've never really heard of this until I was on Amazon. I was scrolling through and I found this. So if you know what those air duster cans are, the little ones that you have to shake up and press down the nozzle and spray, and that's able to clean out your computers or anything else that's really dusty. It just sprays it all out there. It's better than a vacuum because it has a lot more force. If you've seen those before, you kind of know that they're somewhat expensive and they're also not reusable and they spray nasty gases and chemicals everywhere. So I was going through Amazon and I stumbled across this. So what they say on Amazon is that this is actually fast enough and can spin a little fan in here to blow enough air to compete with those. Let's see what else the package came with. So yeah, this is a little air duster. It can spray for about an hour. So the fact that this is so big, and I assume there's a pretty big battery in here, shows that it probably uses a lot of power when it's spraying. So I'm expecting it to be pretty strong. It also comes with a little dust head adapter. I've never even ordered one of these. This is kind of cool. This is one of those, like, I've seen these on Instagram, like a little goo thing that you can clean your keyboard with. I didn't even know this was coming with that, so that's pretty cool. I guess a USB cable. Oh snap, it's USB-C. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that was USB-C. And a little carrying case. So I guess I can put the other adapters and maybe that slime gel in this little case. So it has two buttons on here, one indicating a light, so it is charged, and another one indicating a fan. So if I just press that, I think maybe I need to hold it. Okay, I feel it. It's pretty strong. Oh, there's a stronger mode too. Oh my god. Okay, this is pretty strong. That's pretty strong. So I guess there's two modes with it and it takes a couple seconds to build up, but that, oh my gosh. I started feeling like my cheeks start moving. I don't really know how I can show how strong this is, so I guess we should just go over to my router and my other stuff that's really dusty, all my other electronics, and try dusting it off, and hopefully that can show how strong this is. I'm really hoping this works well because I hate using a vacuum to clean things up because the vacuums just aren't really strong enough. And those air duster cans, you know, they're not reusable and they're kind of expensive depending on where you buy them. And then you just have like an empty can laying around. It's not fun. I apologize if the audio is gonna be weird just because you're literally just gonna be hearing a loud fan, but we have been doing some construction with this miter saw and there's just a lot of sawdust around, so I'm gonna try blowing it. In this situation, you probably wanna use a vacuum to suck it out, but I just wanna try it. I'm gonna let it build up a little bit. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Okay. I don't really want to be blowing this around everywhere. It's probably best to do this outside so you can get the dust like blow away somewhere else and it's not stuck in your house. But we are over by my electronics and these things are really, really dusty. If you can just see the amount of dust that is caked onto that router. I'm gonna try shooting it into the vents and hopefully we can see a lot of the dust fly out. That was insane. That was a crazy amount of dust that I just collected, or I guess sprayed. That is amazing. It's basically like a leaf blower, but really small and really direct when you use this nozzle. That was crazy. I don't know what else I can spray. I'm gonna use this air duster to clean my stairs going down to my basement because we've had some construction and stuff and there's been a lot of dust when people are walking. So I'm gonna spray it all off and then I'll be able to vacuum the rest of it that falls down at the bottom of the stairs. Let's get started. I guess another use that I just used this for was to spray spider nest. You can just spray it onto the web and just like push it away and stuff, and you don't have to like think about the spiders that are crawling and nasty stuff. I guess one flaw that I kind of saw online when people were talking about it, this little inlet right here is where the fan is. So when you're spraying dust, if dust goes back and channels into this, you could be spraying this dust onto the item that you just cleaned. So that could be a problem, I guess, and I guess there's also holes on the back. But if you make sure that you're spraying the dust in one direction, it should shoot it everywhere else and not come back to the actual air sprayer. But wow, this little thing is crazy. Like I showed, it does have a little light, so maybe if you're cleaning things or you want to see a little bit closer, that's pretty cool. I've been sitting thinking about more uses for this, and I actually thought about a couple. So one of them is my camera lenses. So when I'm filming and stuff, I get a lot of dust on my lenses, and it's not the best when you're out shooting or when you're even at home and you have dust all over your lenses. So what you could do is use this to spray off the dust, because I've seen people use little hand squeezing things that shoot some like blasts of air, but using this could really help clean off the top of your sensor, as long as you make sure that no dust can be coming in through these. I might want to 3D print or possibly put some sort of mesh film over it so that no dust can go into this little vent, if that makes sense. I think this is going to be a great addition to my camera bag. I'll probably just throw this in my camera bag and bring it around with me so I can spray off the dust of my camera. If I'm at the beach or something and there's sand over, I can just use it to spray it off. Not only on the lens, but also the rest of the body of the camera. Oh, I guess you could do that with anything you have, like your clothes, your phone, your computer, your tablets. The possibilities are honestly endless. This is basically like having a leaf blower in your pocket. And I guess you can do something with your hair too. So it has a use to dry your hair off as well. I'll have a link for this down below. Let me know if you want to pick it up or if you want me to talk about anything else with this. I think it's an interesting little gadget. I'll definitely be keeping it around. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.